It's simple. It's I search on YouTube. Oops. So I upload my guys. It's my birthday. How many days today? 18. Make sure you select the correct one at this point. Today's 2/18/2025. And 3 days from my birthday, I'm gonna be 13. So make sure you upload there. Not just for the website. I just put my website free so you can see it on YouTube. It's an access episode. I'm gonna copy it. Guys, mistake is happening. Okay, so make sure you set up a different email for your website. This mistake is happening. It's okay, don't have enough space. Just put next. So this is okay.